Hey, so what's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. It's about that time of the year where we cross over to the next year. And like so many people looking for different ways to do better in their finances, people have all these goals at the beginning of the year. And if you're someone that's looking to really do better financially, you want to invest, but you know the cash flow's a little problem, I have 3 strategies that can help you invest your money, and it's simple and easy to do. So a lot of times people really want to do better financially, want to start investing their money, but they just feel like they don't have enough money. Well, the reality is that you can actually invest, without having a lot of money. It's just that you may not know how. Now on this channel, I particularly go over several different ways that you can do that. I give different tips and things that help you if you don't have a lot of money to be able to start investing. So here I want to give you 3 simple strategies. 2 of these strategies I used when I first started investing. One of them wasn't around when I started investing, but it's available now. So for the first strategy, if you guys have heard of Acorn has a feature within the app which allows you to round up. So what does round up mean? Round up means that you're able to make a purchase. Let's say, for example, you bought something for $12.50. And then what would happen is you could go into your app and set it to do roundups, and they would take 50 cents and they would round that $12.50 up to $13, and they would take that 50 cents and they would invest it into whatever portfolio it is that you chose. So in a sense, it's kind of like a keep the change program that you may be familiar with your bank, where you swipe your card and then change that will get rounded up goes into your savings account. It's pretty much simple, just like that. But instead, it's actually investing that money into a portfolio you have chosen, whether it be moderate growth or aggressive or what have you. So that's a pretty simple feature, because all you have to do is just go about your day. You don't have to necessarily do anything except just set it up and set the account up. And then what happens is every time you swipe your card, then change will be invested. So through time, you'll start to see that money build. So the second way is you can actually choose to just buy like 1 share of stock every single month. So let's say you want to invest in whatever stock it is that you choose, that you really like. It's a good stock, it's conservative, it's it's long term, and it's something that is going to help your money grow, and it's going to be around for a while. And you say, I really want to invest in this stock. So what you can do is you can just make a note to say, every single month I buy 1 share. That's it, just 1 share. So if that share is like $40-something and some change, then every month that you take $40-something, however much it is, and whatever brokerage you may be using, whatever fees they may have, if they have any, and every month you're going to take that amount of money and you're going to invest it in that stock. Once again, I know it seems like, well, 1 share doesn't mean much, but see, in the calendar year of 12 months, you'll have 12 shares, and that is perfectly fine. It's not about how you start as much, it's about how you finish. So you can invest just 1 share a month, or you can invest 2 shares a month, but each month that's what you're going to do. So number 3 is you can actually have reoccurring investments. So you're familiar with reoccurring investments because if you have a 401k, you know that every time you get paid, money comes out of your account and goes into a 401k. Now this is a strategy that I use, which is I set up a reoccurring transaction, pretty much where money came out of my account every time that I got paid, and it went straight into my investment account, and it actually went into investing into the particular stocks that I wanted. Just like when you get your check, the taxes come out, you can have it set up so that every time that you get paid, that on that same day that you get paid, however that may be, bi-weekly, every week, or whatever the case is, that a certain amount is deposited into your investment account. Now there are several companies you can use, like M1 Finance, Stockpile, Stash App, Acorn, which I talked about before, where that money can be invested and then that money can still be put into stock. And so basically, before you get a chance to spend the money, it'll be deposited into your investment account. And so basically you could have $5 every time that you get paid, $20, or even $100 that every time that you get paid, that money is automatically deposited into your investment account. Yes, I know, like, we always say it doesn't seem like a whole lot of money, but through time that money starts to build up, and that's what you want. You want to create that habit. You want to be able to see that consistency in your investing. Okay, great. So guys, I hope that has been helpful. 3 tips that can help you invest your money if you're a little low on funds. 3 strategies that you can use and implement at any time, and it can be very effective through time. So as always guys, till the next video, peace.